Can't nobody tell me I'm not a supermodel right now, because that's the way I'm feeling. Baby girl, if you don't plan on buying ZELENA by the end of this video, then what are you really doing? What's up, y'all? So I'll be reviewing the Sensational Wet Lace Wig in ZELENA. Now this video was a whole lot of trial and error, so I'm gonna leave everything in, but right now you just see me applying Got To Be glue in the black bottle right on my edges. I'm just gonna brush my edges back to prepare to put the wig cap on my head. Keep in mind, this whole video was just trial and error, and I just decided to leave the error parts in just to show you guys what I went through instead of sugarcoating like everything was perfect when it wasn't. But I'll show you guys later why it was error at this time. But as you can see, I'm just putting my wig cap on. So the powder that I'm using is the Fit Me powder, and I'm using the shade 330, which is toffee. So I'm just going to apply this powder right on my wig cap, and then I'm also going to apply it inside of my wig on the lace, which you'll see in a second. So this is where the error comes into play. So as you can see, I'm just trying the wig on my head, just trying to see how it looks. I was not planning on doing a bald cap method because I was really having this wig on for a day or two. But as you can see, you could clearly see the wig cap through the lace, and I was not going to go out like that. So I had to resort to plan B, which is the bald cap method. I did not want to do this, so my bald cap method is not perfect. Do not try to come for me in the comments, y'all, because I really was not planning on doing the bald cap method, and I was actually mad that I had to do it. But I'm just using that same Got To Be glue. I'm applying that on the perimeter of my hair, on my edges. So I'm just cutting holes where my ears are. You know, I'm just doing the whole bald cap method. I'm using my Got To Be freeze spray as well, and I'm just going to be blow drying this. I'm also doing 2 separate layers of this spray just to make sure my bald cap doesn't really go anywhere, although I can never figure out how to keep a bald cap like stuck to my skin or like my hair. Like, if you have any tips, please let me know. So now all I'm going to be doing is just cutting off the excess of the wig cap. Like I said, my bald cap method is not perfect. I wasn't really trying to make it perfect because I did not have all night trying to figure out, you know, I just did not have the time to try to perfect my bald cap, but it was good enough for me, obviously. So like I said, I'm just cutting the excess cap off, and then I'm also going to apply more powder on the top of the wig just to give the illusion of like scalp. So here comes the fun part. Now, I was not going to directly spray the freeze spray directly on my lace because every time I've done it, it has been a fail. But I decided to try it this time, and it actually worked. Like, you're gonna see, but it worked. So I'm just doing 2 layers of this freeze spray, just like how I did with my cap. And then I'm also just going to dry it with my blow dryer. So I'm getting ready to actually cut my lace off. So I'm just cutting 3 separate sections into this lace just to kind of make it easier for me to actually cut the lace off the wig. Now, I don't know about y'all, but cutting lace off is like my most nerve-wracking part of this whole process.
Ooh, look at this melt. What? Go away. Be cool. Baby,
So obviously there was no reason for me to be nervous because baby, she's laid, like she's melted. So I'm just applying more spray on my sides. I feel like my sides never want to stay down. Like, is that an issue for anyone else or is it just me? But other than that, I'm just applying more free spray to my sides just to make sure I lay her down on both sides actually, because both of my sides are very stubborn. And I'm just using my rat tail comb to help me lay her down. And I'm just going to continue to cut my lace off. Y'all, look at how melted this lace is. Like, I was not expecting that. So once I'm done cutting the lace off and all that, I'm just putting my scarf on my head to make sure my whole perimeter and hairline is just laid down, like melted, coming out the scalp. So everything looks good, baby. She's growing out the scalp. So I'm just playing with my hair some, combing it. I'm making my edges, and I'm also, you know, figuring out how I want to part my hair. So that's what I'm really doing here. But I decided to keep my edges very, very simple. I didn't want to do anything too dramatic. So this is not mandatory, of course, but I just decided to pluck the front of my hair a little bit. Keep in mind this hair is already pre-plucked, but I just did this just to spice it up a little bit. You know, the Bria touch. So after that, I'm just perfecting my side part a little bit, you know, just trying to make sure she looks good to my liking. And then I'm going to bring out my hot comb. Now, if you don't have a hot comb, I highly suggest you invest in one, because this hot comb truly changed my life. Now I'm just using her to flatten out my hair, and that's all. You know, I'm just fixing my hair, brushing it, just making sure everything looks good. I easily get my curls back popping with this wig just by simply twisting it. Like, look at her. She looks good, right? Okay, you guys, so this is what I came up with as of now. So I will only be doing this wig. I'll be wearing this wig for one day, but I think it looks pretty good as of now. I'm gonna come back tomorrow with an update to see how I officially style this wig, but as of now I'll be rocking the side part. I'm not going too crazy with my edges. I might add one more little piece of, you know, hair right here for edges, and I have to clean up the glue around my hairline as well, but I feel like this looks pretty decent for now. So I'll come back tomorrow with an update on how I decided to style my hair. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back 2 days later. I'm back with the new nose piece. Yesterday was a very busy day for me because I had a photo shoot and I was out pretty much all day. But I'm here now, 2 days later, here to review this wig. I mean, I've worn this hair for 2 days now, so I'm pretty sure I could say, you know, a little bit of how I'm feeling about this wig, how she's doing so far. So as you saw previously, I did the whole install with my hair, and this is ZELENA. This is the color FlamboyageBlonde. This is from the Wetlace collection. This is the 13x6, and she's also pre-plucked. You can part the hair whichever way you would like, but obviously I went with the side part, and a little I might do a middle part, but I honestly did not have to really pluck the hair. And the hair, like the pieces that I did pluck, it was by choice, and that was just a little bit on the hairline, you know. But I did a little bit of plucking. I didn't even have to do much, and I did a tiny bit, like literally a tiny bit of plucking with my little side part, but this is mainly just powder. This hair, she's beautiful. Like, I've been sleeping this hair, like, and the only reason why I've been sleeping in it has been because, baby, I did a whole bald cap method with this, and I was not planning on doing a whole bald cap method, of course, but I did a bald cap method with this, and I'm just gonna keep her on until it's time to take her off. So the curls are easy to comb through, brush through. As you can see, I'm easily running my fingers through the hair. You know, with any type of hair you get, especially wigs, synthetic wigs, human hair wigs, of course there's gonna be tangling, of course there's gonna be shedding, but me, I'm never the type of person to really complain about those type of things, because hair is gonna do what hair is gonna do at the end of the day. Also, do not mind my nails, baby. These are press-ons, and I'm really about to take her off because I just needed her for my little shoot. Besides that, yeah, hair's gonna do what hair's gonna do, so I'm not even on trip for real. But honestly, this hair has not been causing me any issues. Like, the hair that has shed, it's probably just been like from brushing it a little bit, but like I said, I haven't even really been seeing no shedding with this hair. Tangling, I haven't really been seeing much tangling either. Like, ooh, well, that's a little tangle, but you can see how easily, like, I'm combing my fingers through this hair. Like, baby, what? Easy, like, easy. I'm in love with her. And I started out with synthetic wigs, but just knowing that, you know, you can come across great synthetic wigs. Like, baby, the synthetic wig game is stepping up. Like, and I'm the type of girl, I love saving money in any way possible. Like, I don't care how much money I have or how rich I'll be, I will always, you know, resort to synthetic wigs when I want something cute. You know, color already done, curls already intact, hair already styled. All I gotta do is put it on my head, glue it, whatever, you know, tweak it to my liking, and that's all. But, and I'm telling y'all, I'm not pressing it. I'm not just talking. You know, this hair is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. This hair was $50, 48 something, $50, but I got her off of Sam's Beauty. Yeah, y'all, look at his hair. Like, please, let me turn to the back. Like, what? This is beautiful. Like, I love her, and honestly, I feel like I'm really gonna get her in a different color too. I would do like the middle part on camera, but just like imagine the middle part, like just imagine it. She will look bomb, okay? Like, literally, this hair takes almost nothing to install. All I use, like the only hot type product I used was my hot comb, and I used her just to flatten out my hair some. If you don't have a hot comb, you could always use a wand curler to like flatten out the hair some, because that's what I used to use before I even got a hot comb. So yeah, you know, this hair is very inexpensive. I love her. I love her, truthfully, I really do. So, you know, Sensational, Sam's Beauty, if you want to sponsor me, I'm your girl, okay? Because I love me some synthetic wigs. Like, this wig, you can't tell me this wig isn't cute, okay? Like, y'all know this is a cute ass wig, okay? Like I said, I've been sleeping in this wig, okay? To preserve this wig, I've just, you know, been twisting my hair and pinning it up like so. Pinning it up, and I'll do maybe like 3 different twists like that. Take it out, curls look great, hair still look good. I put a scarf on and my bonnet on top of that. Baby, we good to go. Brush her out some, you know, fix your little edges a little bit. These edges are still the edges from the first night I installed this wig. Like, let me get a close-up. Let me get a close-up on y'all. If you are debating getting ZELENA, you know, maybe have a little date night, maybe you just want to switch her up a little bit, I definitely recommend, and I would not steer you wrong at all. So ladies, go out and purchase this wig. I'm telling you, this wig is bomb. I honestly wish that there was more like blonde pieces in the hair, but I'm kind of feeling the little streaks. But like I said, I just wish it was some more, but that's a personal preference thing. If you're debating getting ZELENA, go get your girl, okay? I'm telling you, go get her. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. If you have any more suggestions for videos, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video.